Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss how can we expand a sentence step by step. First, let's take a short sentence. I study math. Now, we are going to ask 4 questions about this sentence: when, where, how, and why. By answering these 4 questions, we can expand the sentence step by step. Let's start. I study math when? Every night. I study math every night. Then, where? In my room. In my room. Then, how? With full attention. With full attention. With full attention. Then, last question. Why? To get good marks in the exam. To get good marks in the exam. Marks in the exam. Our final sentence is here. We have to practice. I study math every night in my room with full attention to get good marks in the exam. I study math every night in my room with full attention to get good marks in the exam. We have to practice this 10 times or 15 times. Okay, that's it.